And Manoj sir, you can conclude from the morning what are the proceedings has been done and all the speeches and all you can conclude. You are mute.
Sorry, sir. My internet was is don't know for some reason. It's I've logged in 2-3 times already. It's going and coming actually. I don't know. Today it gave me a tough time. Today I was having a very hard time.
Okay, Manojan sir, what I'm trying to say is
Yes, sir.
from the morning onwards, related to the Siddharth Gaur's program,
Yes, sir.
we have started the motivational speech. Every day we are starting with the motivational speech
Yes.
by some experts, then keynote speech, and we are continuing. So you can summarize whatever happened today morning till to now,
Yes, sir.
and we can wind up today's session. And tomorrow 9:30 sharp, again Dr. Chetan More as a motivational speaker will start the
Yes, sir.
program, and then keynote speak will be there, and only one change is Dr. Mail Murugan sir will be included in the tomorrow morning session.
Okay. Actually, I was just sparing a minute or two because I saw just Dr. Reshma Pathan ma'am pop in case she has few things to say from whatever happened and whatever. Welcome, Dr. Reshma Pathan ma'am. Welcome on board. Nice to see you.
Thank you, sir.
Any comments, any suggestions, any feedback based on the session, if you would like to say before we wind it up? Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay.
Rani ma'am, anything from your side? You're watching from the morning itself, so you can give some comments. Rani Rajani ma'am is a research scholar from APJ Abdul Kalam University,
Okay.
Madhya Pradesh.
Okay. Not sure if she is able to hear us, or I'm not sure because I think most
Last time she
comfortable.
has presented, but I think some net problem.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, you can summarize, sir.
Yes, I think okay.
Hmm.
Okay, I think we will summarize. Again, once again, all the participants and all the honorable keynote speakers, I would like to just round it up. We had a good day beginning with Dr. Siddharth Gaur as the keynote speaker, who is a motivational speaker, and with his meditation session and just going into the nitty gritty of how our life is and how we can motivate ourselves and think positively. That's how we started our day with, and it was a beautiful morning to begin with. Then we had Dr. Bahubali Shirgapur sir, who from the DY Patil Akudi, who also gave a very detailed technical session about artificial intelligence. Due to some unavoidable circumstances, we had Mayal Morgan sir, who could not present the keynote address today, and he will be doing the same tomorrow, hopefully, if things are all good. And we had a lovely, again, presentation from Dr. Girish Kumar sir, as who is the assistant professor, Department of Law in the Central University of Kerala, and he also put some light on about the uh, justice and injustice system, or poverty and prosperity based things going on around. We also had Dr. Sailesh Iyer sir, giving a highly technical on the latest, greatest technology, a nice presentation, a detailed technical presentation. And followed by, we also had Professor Preeti J. Rajput from DY Patil Ambi Talegaon. So we due to some reasons, some of the presenters were not able to present their papers today, and we look forward for them to do the same tomorrow. Hopefully, we should have some presenters present their papers tomorrow in case they got caught up with something or they weren't able to join.
There were some exams going on. That is why most of the people are
Yeah,
didn't
I
join.
realize exactly. Yes, sir. Thank you. So, with this, I would like to just mention that it is a great day, and without participation of everybody, it wouldn't be this great, and we would not have had a good information exchange or knowledgeable session without the participation of all of you. And we look forward again for you to join tomorrow around 9:30, 10. The registration process will be there, and we'll have the keynote addresses beginning at 10 a.m. in the morning. So thank you very much for your valuable time.
Thank you.
Thank
you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Karmakar sir, Prakash Diwan sir, Manoj.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
It's a great day.
You do take care. I would request you to not to exert yourself, please. It was very kind of you to participate. It is not just you have been isolated or you have been bored, but it is a great spirit to participate. Thank you very much, Girish sir.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you, Girish sir.
Thank you, Prakash sir.
Manoj sir is also full day given a very good presentation, and all these along with the presentation, he can do a job very good, and we can hope we can have the next 2-3 within a month he can have praised the PhD. So he will become a doctorate
Next month, sir. Next month.
Next month. So I must thank Dr. Prakash sir for awarding me my student.
Yes,
sir.
Thanks, sir.
Next month is Viva will be. So I hopefully we are having a Bangkok conference on next month, and
Yes.
after that immediately there will be a SKN engineering conference.
Yes.
Is there Pandharpur conference?
Okay.
So that is there. Then Malaysia conference is there upcoming. Then then again Dubai conference. So hopefully all are in virtual mode. Then January we are having again SKN Srinagar in tie-up. We are having a Bangkok conference with the Asian University.
Yes,
Asia Pacific University Bangkok. There will be a joint conference.
Yes.
So there are so many conferences as aligned, and similarly all these conferences in like Cochin conference, Singapore conference will be repeated next year, and hopefully we are all are vaccinated by that time, so we can conduct in virtual mode. Sorry, or physical mode.
Physical modes. We are eager to see everybody on physical mode, sir.
Yeah. I think Girish sir and everybody are waiting to join us in Singapore, Malaysia, and all. He has promised me next time he is coming, because last 2 times he was having some engagements he couldn't attend, and I think Dr. Email Murugan sir and Muthukumar sir will join on foreign countries. So hopefully we can meet together again in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
It will be
Okay.
great.
Thank you very much to all, especially Girish sir. Take care of your health. He's having cough and all. Still he has joined, and he is defeating COVID-19. So I think your mother is also recovering well.
Please well.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, Dr. Rahul, you want to add something?
No. I just want to say thank you, everybody. And Girish sir, please take care of your health. I just wanted to mention.
No. Just Dr. Rahul has joined. Okay.
Okay, great.
Okay, then we'll wind up. Tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, again the registration will start. 9:30 sharp, our motivational speech will be going to be started. because we have to start on time. Then only we can complete it in time. So 9:30 the motivational speech will start. Then and 10:15 onwards our keynote address will going to be.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Take care, Girish, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.